Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage who can mention you on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If someone that's not in your selected audience tries to mention or tag you, they'll see that you don't allow mentions or tag from everyone. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Tap on your profile. Tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down. Tap on mentions and tags. Tap on that. Now you can choose who can mention you on Instagram. There's an option like everyone, people that you follow, or no one. If you choose everyone, so everyone on Instagram, like your followers that you follow back, can mention you on Instagram. Or you can choose people that you follow, only account that you follow on Instagram can mention you on Instagram, like on comment, on post, on story, and the others. Or you can choose no one. If you choose no one, so no one can tag or mention you on Instagram. I will choose no one, so nobody can mention me on Instagram, like comment, post, or story. Let's go back. I will switch my account to other account to try to mention if can I still mention this account. Let's change. I will mention that account on this post like this. You can see there's a pop-up appear on my screen tell me that this account doesn't allow everyone to mention them. You can click OK. So that is how to manage who can mention you on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!